any Indian what their favorite or go-to cuisine is after Indian food, and most of them would say Chinese. Hi, I am Neha. You're watching Mustard Tempered Dreams, and today I'm making a very popular Indo-Chinese dish called Schezwan Fried Rice. Now, the birth of Indo-Chinese cuisine came about around 250 years ago when immigrants from China came and settled in Kolkata. And many of them opened restaurants and adapted their food to suit the Indian palate. And from here evolved the magnificent fusion cuisine we call Indo-Chinese or Desi-Chinese. Here's a fun fact. Hakka Chinese, which is so popular here in Toronto, is in fact actually Indo-Chinese food and has very little to do with authentic Hakka cuisine. So what are we waiting for? Let's go make some Desi style Schezwan fried rice. This fried rice requires a lot of vegetables, so make sure you check out the list of ingredients in the description below.
Let's start by heating about 4 tablespoons of oil in this pan. When the oil becomes hot and smoky, we'll add 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and 3 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger. We'll fry the ginger garlic on high heat till they begin to brown. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of red chilli paste and saute it with the ginger and the garlic for about a minute. You can always find a good red chilli paste in your local Asian grocery store. Now we'll add a medium-sized onion that's thinly sliced. We'll saute the onions on high heat for about a minute. As the onions start becoming translucent, we'll add half a cup of green onions. Here I'm only using the upper part or the bulbs of the green onions. We'll save the leafy green part for the garnishing. And now we are going to start adding the vegetables one by one. First I'm adding one medium-sized diced carrot. We'll toss the carrots on high heat for about a minute or so and then add half a cup of chopped green beans. Now we'll toss the green beans with the carrots again for a minute. Next goes half a cup of chopped green peppers. As we are cooking on high heat, make sure you keep the vegetables moving around so that they don't burn. And now we'll add half a cup of cauliflower florets, toss them about for a minute and then add 1 cup of chopped mushrooms. We are not going to cook these vegetables for too long because we want the veggies in this fried rice to have a slight crunch to them. And finally, we are going to add a cup of shredded cabbage. Perfect. And now it's time to add the sauces. First, we'll add 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, mix it in and then add 2 tablespoons of red chilli sauce. And now I'm adding the magic ingredient, a teaspoon of Schezwan chutney. This is an amazing condiment made with Sichuan peppercorns, garlic and red chilies that you can usually find in any Indian grocery store. If you can't get hold of this Schezwan chutney, you can substitute it with a good Sriracha sauce. Now we'll add some salt to taste and a tablespoon of white vinegar. Be careful while adding the salt as we've already added a lot of soy sauce, which is very high in salt content. And now it's time to add the rice. Here I'm adding 5 cups of cooked long grain Basmati rice. We'll quickly mix in the rice into our cooked saucy vegetables, all the while keeping the heat high. You have to do this mixing very quickly or else the rice will start sticking to the bottom of the pan. And finally, we'll switch off the heat and mix in some freshly chopped green onion stems. And this amazing Schezwan fried rice is now ready to eat. Doesn't this look delicious? Let's taste. Wow! This fried rice is perfectly spicy and delicious. You have to give this recipe a try, and when you do, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Tempered Dreams.
See you next week. Bye!